So the two horizontal lines are parallel. What this tells us is that the angles with all the red x's, these are all the same measure. Conversely then, each of the ones with the green circles also have the same measure. And then we also know that every red x plus every green O adds up to 180. So x plus, whoops, wrong color, dang, I really wanted that to work. X plus O equals 180. So if we can solve for any of these guys, we are set. And then we can figure out a plus f plus d minus e plus h. Statement 1 tells us a plus f equals 180. Well, we know that a and d are the same, and d and h are the same, or we could have said a and e are the same. Anyway, we already know that one of the red x's plus a green O equals 180. That was established before we even got to Statement 1. Statement 1 tells us nothing new, and therefore cannot be sufficient on its own. Statement 2 tells us that a minus f equals 60. It tells us the difference between the two. Now we have two equations and two variables, so we can say a plus f equals 180, and add to that a minus f equals 60. And then when we add the two together, we end up with 2a equals 240, and therefore a equals 120. So every one of these is 120. I'm not going to write them all in, and every one of these is 60. And from there, we don't have to do the math. We know we could plug in the appropriate 120s and 60s in this and solve from there. So statement 2 on its own is sufficient. Answer choice B.